नाउ कम्स प्रॉपर्टीज। जैसे हमने एडिशन की प्रॉपर्टीज सीखी थी, ऐसे सब्ट्रैक्शन की भी प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं। सब्ट्रैक्शन की प्रॉपर्टीज अपोजिट होंगी। पहला प्रॉपर्टी होता है व्हेन जीरो इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम एनी नंबर। जब भी आप किसी नंबर में से जीरो को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, जीरो को माइनस करते हैं, अगर मैं 2 में से जीरो को माइनस करूंगा तो मुझे आंसर मिलेगा 2। 100 में से मैं जीरो को माइनस करूंगा तो आंसर मिलेगा 100, because 0 is not having any value. So when 0 is subtracted from any number, then the difference is the number itself. जब भी आप 0 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं किसी भी नंबर से, तो जो आंसर होगा, डिफरेंस वैल्यू होगी, वो हमेशा वही नंबर होगा। द नंबर itself means जिसमें से 0 को माइनस करें वही उसका आंसर होगा। तो ये यू कैन चेक द एग्जांपल। 59,57,643 minus 0 will be having the difference as 59,57,643, वही आंसर उसका होगा। प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2, when a number is subtracted from itself the difference is 0। जब भी आप किसी भी नंबर में से खुद को ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमेशा आंसर 0 होगा। जैसे हमने छोटे नंबर में पढ़ा है 10 minus 10 0, 100 minus 100 0, 1000 minus 1000 0। तो ऐसे ही you can check the example. For bigger number also it will be having the same rule. So 36,53,784 having the subtraction of 36,53,784, so we get the answer as 0। मतलब किसी भी नंबर में से खुद को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो डिफरेंस हमेशा 0 होगा। प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3, when 1 is subtracted from any number you get the previous number। अगर आप किसी भी नंबर में से, किसी भी बिगर नंबर में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो you will be getting the answer as the earlier number। जैसे हमने एडिशन में पढ़ा था, in large number when you add 1 you will be getting the sum as the next number। तो यहाँ उसका अपोजिट होगा। from large number when you subtract 1 the difference will be the earlier number। earlier number को predecessor बोलते हैं, next number को successor बोलते हैं। तो here we will be having the opposite property of successor। when 1 is subtracted from any number you get the previous number। previous number को बोलते हैं predecessor। so example 7,64,82,457 minus 1 will result as the difference as 7,64,82,456। 7 minus 1 becomes as 6। the remaining digit we copy as it is from the earlier number which is known as the predecessor of the given number। so predecessor का मतलब previous number। previous number हमेशा 1 के साथ subtraction करने पर ऑप्शन होता है। now comes word problem। word problems are also not a new topic, आप पहले से भी पढ़ते आए। सेम रूल एज आई हैव लर्नड इन अर्लियर क्लासेस। जैसे हमने पहले पढ़ा था पहली क्लासेस में, सब्ट्रैक्शन से रिलेटेड वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, एडिशन से रिलेटेड वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, सेम वे वी विल बी लर्निंग द concept for large number। So let us see the example। Example number 1, Mr. Smith bought a bike for 2,46,745 and a car for 15,80,480। What amount of money did he spend in all? So here hint word is all। When we talk about all, always we follow a process of addition। all means including all means whatever the different things are there, we are combining them means again addition process। so let us see the solution। cost of bike, first we'll be writing what is the cost of bike। so cost of bike is defined as 2,46,745। then we'll be going to the cost of car। cost of car is 15,80,480। so what amount of money did he spend? so total money or total amount spent is, again when we talk about amount of money he spent in all means addition, so here addition symbol is there। so let us start the calculation। so 5 plus 0 becomes 5 only, 4 plus 8 becomes 12 as we are discussing in the earlier example। 12 is related to 2 digit number, so in that 2 digit number once digit 2 will be written here, tens digit will be taken in the next column as that is remainder, so we are writing the remainder in the circle part। now add 7 plus 4 it becomes 11। in 11 when one remainder is added it becomes 12, again 12 is a 2 digit number, so write 2, 1 will be taking as the remainder in the next column। 6 plus 0 becomes 6। just now we have recalled the property any number added with 0 or when 0 is added with any digit, we get the answer as that number itself. So 6 plus 0 becomes 6, plus 1 becomes 7, so here it is 7. 4 plus 8, when added becomes 12 cut 2, again remainder 1 will be taken in the next column, so we have to find the remainder in the circular form. 2 plus 5 becomes 7, 1 remainder becomes 8, so write 8 as it is, 1 is alone, so copy as it is. So this way we can get the total value as, the total amount spent by Mr. Smith is 18,27,225. This way you can add the total values for both the different, that is, items. Try this, try to work out with the concept of addition as we are discussing examples. Try to do the subtraction working as we are discussing the earlier example, earlier topic. So let us see example number 2. Now it is based on addition as well as subtraction. Here we will be applying both the concept. Sabina had rupees, that is 15 lakh. Sabina had rupees 15 lakh with her. She bought a new car for 8,42,800 and used the car for 2,82,170. How much money is left with her? Means already she is having large sum of value, and from that large value, yes, she has purchased a car as well as a new car as well as a used car. So new car is having a value as 8,42,800. Example number 2. Sabina had 15 lakh with her. She bought a new car for rupees 8,42,800 and a used car for 2,82,170. Means she has purchased two cars. One is new one and one is the old one. How much money is left with her? So hint what is left. Left means we will be getting the final answer by subtraction. So here left. So first we will be calculating in both the cars how much money she has spent. First we have to find the total value, what value she has spent on purchasing the two cars. So let us see the example solution. First we will write in the statement cost of the new car. So already new car is having a cost as 8,42,000. You can check 42,800 and 800. Cost of used car will be seeing the value as 2,82,170. So total money that is spent by Sabina. Total money she has spent is, again when we calculate the addition, it is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 7 is 7, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12 ka 2, 1 will be taken as a remainder, 8 plus 2 becomes 10 and remainder when it becomes 11 ka 1, write 1 remainder, copy 1 as it is. So this way we will be having the total value she spent on both the car is 11,24,971. Means the value is less than whatever she is having the total value as. So amount of money left, whenever we are having the left value, we will be getting the answer by subtracting the total value. We are having the total value as this much value she has spent, and she is having the money as this much. So total money Sabina had minus total money